What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another mall unboxing and review video. This time we have the beautiful Lufthansa 747-8i in the retro livery by NG Models, and this is one of their Ultimate Collection models. This is the first Ultimate Collection model for me in my collection. I'm super stoked and super excited to have this and to check this out. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. Here's the box, a very special and like unique box, a lot different from the normal NG box. Well, the box art's obviously the same kind of, you know, it's really nice, but interestingly enough, this actually has like a fold up top. Like, look at that. We've got some cards here. Looks like they're taped on. So I'll take those off. So we actually have two, they give you two cards. That's actually pretty cool. Whoop. And then, so we have a stand. That's awesome. And then here's the model. So really, really interesting packaging. Really unique and really different. So this actually, so you get it out. Okay, so it looks like you just kind of have to lift it out. Interesting, like, so the box doesn't open normally. You just have to get it out this way. Okay. All right. So yeah, NG Mall started doing this, what's called the Ultimate Collection, where basically it comes with a stand, a fancier box, apparently two cards, little collector's cards as well. Yeah, so pretty cool, pretty cool. Wow, look at this. This is gonna be a beauty. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the box back up for now. I'm gonna take them all out here. Oh my goodness, that's immaculate. Wow, okay. All right, so we're gonna bring them all here. We're just gonna readjust the camera. There we go. Wow, what a beautiful looking aircraft. This is stunning. Wow. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get ahead on, let's get going on this. So here we have it, the nose area. So we got the black nose. We got the cockpit windows looking very nice. Star Alliance logo, Lufthansa logo right there. I'll see the sort of business class, whatever they call it, first class up here. L1 door there, upper deck door, got the antennas, very nice, Lufthansa titles. So the older livery was this sort of blue stripe on the windows and the gray on the bottom, white on the top. Looking very nice. We got L2 door. I guess this would be L2, not L3. I'm actually not sure. This might be L3. I'm not sure if they consider this 2. I'm not sure with the 747s how that works with upper deck. But yeah. So actually this might be L2. That might be U1, like upper 1. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah. So you get the point. Got the other door there. Great details all around there. Coming along to the wings and the engines. Very, very nice. Beautiful looking. Excellent detail by NG. Look at those. The interiors of those engines. They're inside the fan blades. Everything. Very, very nice. Well mounted and everything. This is actually my first NG 747 model as well. So this is really exciting. Really, really exciting. Beautiful job on the wings. You can see, actually this looks, no, that looks, yeah, that looks good. Really, really nice. Great detail and everything. Same on this side. All right. Got the Wi-Fi dome on the top there. More doors. Zoom it out a bit here. All right, there we go. Coming back down here, we got 747-8, registration Delta-Alpha Bravo Yankee Tango. This obviously, the retro, it's got the older tail with the yellow, which I love, and I miss that, honestly. The new livery is not bad. It is simpler, because now you're missing the yellow, but it's okay, it's growing on me, but I do miss the yellow, though. This is classic. And you got the German flag up here with Yankee Tango there on the tail fin. So very, very nice. We'll take a look at it from the back. Beautiful looking. Horizontal stabilized and everything looking fantastic. Taking a look at it from the front. Gorgeous looking aircraft. spin it around, take a look at this side. So you have obviously the cargo door. Nothing else is really changed here. And then the back, you got the bulk bin and the cargo, the main lower deck cargo door there. It's looking fantastic. Actually, something I want to take a look at is this aircraft does not have a name like a lot of the other 747-8s from Lufthansa have a name on them. This does not have a name printed on it, but it is the retro one, so that could be why. But yeah, so we'll take a look here, top-down view of the model. We'll flip it over. Here's the bottom. The gear looking exceptional. Rolling landing gear as expected. Very, very nice. Well done. This mold is like superb. This is a fantastic 747-8 mold. Very, very nice. Very happy to have it. And interestingly enough, this actually does complete my Lufthansa 747-8 collection in terms of I have the old livery, the new livery, and now the retro livery. So I'm really excited to finally add this one to the collection, and that completes the 747-8 lineup for Lufthansa. I'm still, in terms of Lufthansa, it's kind of weird. It's one of those airlines where, I don't know why, but I've been collecting a bunch of them. I'm trying to get, like the old livery, the new livery, and any retro or Star Alliance or special liveries for each individual aircraft type that they have in terms of heavies. And well, I don't have the Lufthansa 747-8. Actually, NG released that. I didn't bother picking that up because that's an old one. It's not really significant nowadays. But yes, I thought it was pretty cool, to try and get some of the one. Like I have both 380s, the old livery, new livery. I have the A340-600 in the old and the new. Sorry, the old and the Star Alliance. I wasn't able to get the new one, unfortunately. I'm hoping someone will re-release that at some point. Phoenix released it, but it sold out. I missed it, or I don't know what happened with that, to be honest. I had one on order. It never showed, so I just kind of canceled that off. But yeah, so I've got the 380s, I've got the 747-8s, the 346s. I don't have any 330s, just because they've never really flown to LA, unfortunately. Maybe one day I will get the 330s as well. I do have the 340-300s. Interesting enough, you'll actually see a video here coming out at some point with another A340-300 unboxing. But yeah. Anyways, guys, that's a little bit about my Lufthansa collection and about why this model is significant. Not only is it my first Ultimate collection from NG, it's my first 747-8 from NG, and completion of the 747-8 lineup for Lufthansa for me. So very excited to have this model. It's a beautiful and highly recommended if you can get it. They've done a fantastic job with the mold, the packaging, everything in general. The details are all there, so I love to see it, and hope you guys love this model as well. And if you can get it if you don't already have it. But yeah, with that being said, guys, that's going to do it for this video. So if you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content. And I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.